If your R22 air conditioning unit's coils are freezing up and it's not cooling after you added refrigerant, and replace the capacitor, you've got to check a few things as soon as possible. So, first off, when you add refrigerant like 3 pounds of R22, it's super important to know if the system actually needs it or if there's a leak. Overcharging the system can make the coils freeze because too much refrigerant messes with the pressure and temperature balance inside the unit. Also, a frozen coil usually means airflow problems. So make sure the blower motor is running properly and the air filter isn't clogged or dirty. Since you mentioned a new capacitor was installed, double check the wiring on that capacitor because if it's hooked up wrong, the blower motor might not run at all, which stops air from flowing over the coils and causes them to freeze. Another thing is to see if the outdoor condenser coils are clean. Dirty coils reduce heat exchange and can also lead to freezing. Make sure your thermostat settings are correct and not set too low, which can cause the unit to overwork. Lastly, keep an eye on the unit's runtime. If it's cycling on and off too fast, it could point to electrical or refrigerant problems that need fixing. One of the biggest mistakes you'll see with R22 units is adding refrigerant without fixing leaks, which just masks the problem and wastes money. Fix: always do a leak test before charging refrigerant. Another common issue is wiring the capacitor or blower motor wrong after replacement, which kills airflow and freezes the coils. Fix: follow manufacturer wiring diagrams carefully or hire a pro. Lastly, ignoring dirty filters or condenser coils is super common and leads to poor cooling and freezing problems. Fix: clean or replace filters monthly and hose down condenser coils seasonally to keep air moving. BigHomeProjects.com is solid for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, especially for tricky AC repairs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who really need their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.